Yes, so Otto Pukk, I'm President and CEO Incap Corporation.
How do you imagine sustainability affecting your operations?
No, sustainability is a very hot topic, of course, being a listed company in Europe with all the ESG reporting and so becoming mandatory. So I would say that we are much more focused now as we have been working on our reporting, working on setting targets. And I think moving on through this year, we will see the result of that. I hate to be a victim of this reporting. No, for the coming year, we have now added on also ESG goals in our corporate KPIs. And foremost, those KPIs has to do with how much of sustainable energy we are using, what is our footprint when it comes to CO2 emissions and so. But also very important for us are our social goals and what effect we have on the local environment and the different projects we drive there. And of course, our workforce and how happy they are to work with us is a top priority.
Yeah, having an engaged and happy workforce is critical. Anybody can buy the parts, anybody can buy the equipment, but getting a really talented workforce that's engaged is, business changing.
Yeah, no, of course, without our people, we wouldn't get any results. And I'm really proud of our ESG initiative because it actually started. So the ESG initiative in Incap was coming down up, not top down.